Hello everyone, this is the Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza. Now call it 2020 facelift, call it second generation petrol only or BS6. Now I believe half the country knows double than what I know about the Brezza. So I will not take a lot of time of yours. Precisely I will take 180 seconds. In that period I'll tell you whatever I know about the car, how it feels like driving and everything else related to. Hit the comment box, let us know, like and share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Launched at 2016 Auto Expo, Brezza has been the BSUV to beat with over 5.5 lakh customers thus far. Come 2020, you get new set LED lights, a reworked chrome grille and signature tail lamps. The design seems to have aged a bit, but not the craze for the car. Dark upholstery, automatic AC, 7-inch touchscreen with navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and few others come as a part of the kit. Now that may leave you wanting for more against the likes of Venue and Sonnet. Maruti plans to bring the least tech interference with no dash charging, sunroof or air purifier. However, the space and comfort at the back seat remain a major driving force for the Brezza. The first generation of the Brezza only sported a BS4 compliant 1.3 litre diesel engine, but as the SUV made its transition to the BS6 era, it sported a 1.5 litre petrol engine, and it happens to be the only mild hybrid engine in the segment. 104 PS and 138 Nm under the hood, mated with either a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic, Brezza's character has changed quite a bit. A strong slug of torque in the low to mid range ensures Brezza keeps up a brisk pace in the cities. I somehow miss the diesel, especially on the highways. However, refinement and quieter cabin are something you get in the bargain. Our test run suggested one full tank of gas can take you around 700 km comfortably. Avoid revving the engine to exact better FE numbers. The ride quality is supple and the SUV flattens out road undulations at low speeds. The steering wheel is a balanced unit which is neither too heavy nor too light. That said, body roll around the corners is quite evident, and expecting sedan-like handling would be a myth. The BS6 has also revised the prices, which now range between Rs 7.34 lakh and Rs 11.4 lakh ex-showroom. Other major reasons to choose a Brezza has to be the resale value and Maruti's unparalleled service network.
Interestingly, Vitara Brezza has always been the one-man army for Maruti Suzuki. In its first generation, we only got diesel. In its second generation, we only get petrol. However, its craze does not fade away. It still clocks around 10,000 units a month, and that's fantastic for a car that has aged quite a bit and still retains that charm.